All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into customizing your car's sound experience, right? Today I'll show you how to adjust the bass, the treble, and other audio settings for that perfect sound, guys. I have put for you the steps outlined at the top left. You can follow along there. So basically, guys, the first things first, you want to open the audio settings menu. So you want to tap the music icon on the touchscreen to open the music player. Open up the media player, and then you just want to look for the equalizer or settings icon that shows just like this right here. You're gonna open this up. Usually it's represented by sliders just like this, and you just want to tap on it, okay? And once you're in the audio settings, you'll see options for bass, you'll see options for treble, you'll see options for balance. You're gonna see a bunch of different options. You want to slide the bass control up or down to increase or decrease those, deep beats. And you want to adjust the treble slider to sharpen or soften, the higher frequencies, okay? While you're here, guys, don't forget to adjust the audio balance. Use the on screen layout to position the sound toward specific areas of the car, right? Like the driver's seat or maybe the center of the cabin, okay? And don't worry, guys, your settings will automatically save so you can enjoy your personalized sound profile the next time you drive, guys, okay? And that's it, guys. Hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe